Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Cool Zone. This is the last day of the year, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of my top waffles of 2021. All right? Hope you enjoy the video. I love y'all. Happy New Year's, everybody. Alrighty, I guess we're going straight to my caramel apple cider waffles. I had so much fun making these, blending it with the apple cider, just adding the caramel, adding the cooked apples, and just throwing it with some vanilla bean ice cream, sprinkling with some cinnamon. I just love how it came together. So this one was definitely a dope one. Definitely. Now the pumpkin spice waffle. I thought this was gonna be like my best waffle I ever made because how everything came together, everything blended right in from the caramel to the whipped cream. Everything just once you stuck that fork in there, you was in heaven, waffle heaven, and the taste was amazing, and it was just a beautiful taste. You know, it's so crazy because when I was going to make this, I had no idea how it was gonna come out, but just that first try was amazing. And these right here. Now, this one right here was a sleeper because I wasn't expecting the taste to taste this amazing. What we have right here, we have our strawberries, banana, and we have cream cheese frosting. I glaze it on top, and when I tell you, you put those combinations together, you're going to lose it. Like the taste was so amazing, the combination was great. I definitely recommend this. If you want to surprise somebody, do something fancy, and give them a little sweet tooth and be creative, this is your boy right here. Now on to my cinnamon glazed waffles. This was just a little hack. I bought some cinnamon rolls and I just crushed them on the waffle maker, and boom, there you go. This magnificent masterpiece, and you already know the taste was amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to just whoop you up a little something real quick. I was thinking about some s'mores, so I was like, you know what? Let's just make it happen. So check this out, folks. This right here is my s'mores waffle. And let me tell you, just looks amazing. You already know it's going to taste amazing. Can't wait to try this. I wasn't gonna make this video, but I was like, you know what? Let me just share this with my waffle gang in case you guys want to experiment in the kitchen as well. So here you go, folks. All you need is some graham crackers, some marshmallows, some whipped cream, and some ice cream. And what I did here, I bought my graham crackers, I squished them all up, I beat them down, sprinkled them on top. I took my marshmallows and I put them in the toaster just so they could get a little brown. Then after that, I let it cool off, put my ice cream on top, glaze it with some dark chocolate syrup, and I did a little decoration with some whipped cream on the side. So if you like this video, folks, Please do let me know what you think. Thank you for taking the time, as always, to watch my videos. I love you all. Kool Zone out. All right. This one right here is actually one of my favorites too. My bourbon waffles. I really had a great time making these. I made these for Father's Day. The video actually did really good. It was a nice treat for the dads. I believe that we should all treat ourselves on that day. And I know a lot of men love bourbon. Um, so I gave it a twist. And this came out amazing. As you can see, this was amazing. And if you haven't seen this video, please do check it out. You never know. You might want to make you some. Now, these Fruity Pebble waffles, they were incredible. I'm a big fan of Fruity Pebbles, so I wanted to turn them into waffles. As you can see, they look amazing. The taste was amazing. And this was a very fun waffle. My mom enjoyed it, which was always a good thing, and I enjoyed it myself. So this was definitely a very fun waffle to make. Now we're on to my St. Patty Day waffles. I had a lot of fun doing those. As you can see, the gold in there. I thought that was really dope. Of course, the taste was amazing. But yeah, this was very fun. I actually made green eggs that day too, but I didn't make a video for that. Right here, these are my chicken velvet waffles. I love them. Another one, my strawberry shortcake waffles. Another amazing dish. This one right here was actually my second video I made. And I believe this was my third one. Big shout out to Magical Cooking. I love these waffles. And big shout out to my girl, One Hot Bite. I love those waffles. And these waffles right here were my pepperoni pizza waffles, which you can see looks amazing. And this is my glazed donut waffle burger, cheeseburger, yes. And this, I just piled a bunch of chicken on top. It came out amazing though. My bacon jalapeno waffles. This right here, I had a lot of fun doing. I chopped up my bacon and I chopped up my jalapenos, mixed them in the batter. And as you can see real close, you can see the bacon bits and you can also see the jalapenos inside of it. It came out really good. You had a little bit of both. You had your sweetness and you had your spicy. And you got your heat in there, and that's what gave it a nice balance. It was really good. I definitely recommend making this. If you love a little sweet and a little heat, this right here is your baby right here. My Swiss mushroom waffle burger. This one was incredible. I love onions, I love mushrooms, and I love Swiss cheese. I actually put pepper jack cheese in there too to give it a little heat, and those were amazing. I made them multiple times, but yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys. This was definitely one of my favorites, and I definitely enjoyed making it. You know, I realized that I made a lot of waffles. Sometimes I'm losing track. Okay, we got our BLT waffle burger. Just a standard quick fix. You gotta love a BLT, right? And here you go. What better way to make a BLT than on a waffle? Correct? Correct. That's it, kid. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, look at this masterpiece. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. My steak and cheese waffle. Um, I really. I'm just gonna take a little moment, real quick. Just take a little moment. All right, I'm back. Like, this was amazing. Like, it was amazing. Please, everyone that watches my videos, make this right here. Make it. You'll love it. You'll love it. I'm actually getting hungry now. I've been showing you guys all of my old videos, and I'm actually getting hungry now. My cheddar bay lobster and shrimp waffles. This was another one of my favorite dishes, and I made this for um, my birthday. Yes, I think I made these for my birthday, and it was either my birthday or it was some type of holiday that I wanted to, you know, represent myself, and I didn't really get a chance to even eat it. My daughter killed it, and so did my mother. I think I probably had like one piece. Go figure, huh? All right. Now we're on to the Reuben. Now I had a lot of fun with this one. I had my mom in the kitchen giving me a hand. Um, she's always in the kitchen with me when I'm making my waffles. If you ever hear any noise in the background or you hear the word amazing come out more than once, that is my mom in the background saying amazing also. And yeah, we always have a lot of fun when she's in the kitchen. So it's always an adventure, and I always have a good time. So yeah, she was part of this video. Thank you, Ma. And the tomato basil mozzarella. This was one of my favorites because of the creativity, and I loved how the picture looked. I loved how the video came out. Um, See for yourself. It looks amazing. It's like an art. I could hang this picture up in a museum and win first prize. So that is the main reason why this video and this picture is up. It's because of the creativity, and I just love the picture. Don't you love the picture? The picture looks amazing, right? Right. And last but not least, this video right here. Not video. See, this is what happened. This picture right here. This picture is my first waffle I've made on my YouTube channel. The first video. Um, I didn't have a waffle maker, so I was using Eggo waffles. And this right here just opened the door to what I was about to do next. And big shout out to my homie for investing in me and getting myself a waffle maker. And the rest is history. And we've made some amazing waffles, and the journey has been incredible. Who would have thought that when I first made this video, um, I only had like 4 subscribers, maybe 6 or 7. Um, but with dedication and hard work and never giving up, we have reached the 5K mark going into this new year. So I'm going to leave you guys with this message before I sign off. Um, I say this a lot because I know how difficult chasing your dreams and your journey can be. Because we all have those bumps in the roads, including myself. But 2022, it's time to chase those goals and make everything that you want come true. Take the baby steps, make it happen, and at the end of the day, the results will come in and everything you want will fall into place. All right? I wish y'all a happy new year. Stay safe, everybody. I love y'all. Thank you for taking this journey with me. And if you're new and you're watching this video, welcome. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we're going to do this again. All right. I'll see y'all in 2022. Love y'all. Cool Zone out.